Hi guys, we did something new for our tree this year. Come check it out. Bye.
Hey guys, so as we would do any time when we were starting to decorate and get the tree ready is I make sure that the space is nice and clean. So I've picked up the backpacks, hung those up, going to vacuum the area just because there is tons of dog hair and cat hair and kids debris everywhere. We rearranged our furniture so that we could try to put the tree over by this wall, and we'll see how it works. Our tree got delivered today. It is by King of Christmas. It is called the Prince Flocked Tree. It's only a 6-foot tree. We went small. Emma has decided she does not want to cut down and harm any trees, so we are going to try an artificial tree this year for the first time. See how it works for us. Now this one comes in 3 pieces, which I pulled out of the box. Once I got the base down and ready, they will just insert, there's directions, they're labeled A, B, and C for the 3 sections. So as soon as I get A down and in, I can basically open that one right up, take grouping B and put that one in, and then I'll add C onto the very top. Now you'll see me wiping my arms quite a bit, and I'll let you know why in a second, but what I'm going to do now is sort of just go around the tree and basically just put it into place. Fluff out all the branches. Most of them will lock in, and then from there I sort of separate the pieces. Now the biggest thing that I've noticed with a flocked tree is that stuff sheds. I haven't decided how I feel about it. I thought it was going to be really pretty, and I guess in my mind I thought it was going to be stuck very well and sort of stiff, and it's not, and it got everywhere. So we are still trying to figure out how we feel about the flocking on it. Continuing to piece all the tiny little branches, sort of make sure that it looks nice and full and as realistic as possible. I'll admit I'm really impressed with how real it does look besides the flocking, because I've never had an artificial tree. I'm not sure, again, how this will work for us going forward, but I'm happy with it so far, and you'll see the kids clearly are enjoying having the tree being in here. They're liking seeing it. The cat is very interested in the tree, and I'm also not so sure how a cat is going to deal with a artificial tree, because the base is a little bit more wobbly, so I don't know if this thing's going to be knocked over. And now my phone kept stopping the recording, saying that there wasn't enough room, but there was. So here is the finished now, with some burlap, some sprigs of little berries have been added in, and the lights are on. Use white cords for a flocked tree, by the way. That way your cord won't be seen. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.